1, 2, 3, microphone check. Okay, it works. Hello guys and welcome to my channel QANSIGLIERE. Today I'm going to talk about how to compare two arrays in JavaScript. But at the beginning of this conversation I want to remind you that you guys have a really great opportunity to ask me any questions directly. To do it, you just need to open my YouTube channel, click here to get access to all available links and click on the first link. It will open a Google form in your window where you can write and ask your questions to me. From my side, I'm going to review all your questions and try to answer on them in my next videos. Okay, what we are going to discuss today. Let's imagine what you have two different arrays. For example, let's use Google Chrome console. Let's imagine you have array A. It contains two objects. Object with ID 1 and name A. And second object in this array is an object with ID 2 and name B. And let's imagine what we have the same array, but the order of objects is changed. As you can see, both these arrays contain the same objects, right? But if we compare them, array A and array B, we return false value. If we check their type, we also return false value. What we could do, we can apply sort method for A and compare it with array B with applied sorting. Let's check. It also returns false. And how we can fix this issue? We can convert these arrays to string value and compare only string values. And that's it. To string. And as you can see right now, these two arrays are matched. Okay, let's make another video. So today I want to discuss a topic how to compare two. Okay, today I'm going to discuss a short topic about how to compare two arrays in JavaScript. Let's imagine what you have two arrays, array A and array B. To demonstrate it, let's use Google Chrome console. Let's create variable A. It will be an array with two items. Item 1 contains ID 1, name A. Second item is ID 2, name B. Done. And let's imagine what we have another array with the same items, but the order of items is changed. First item here will be an object B and second one is an object A, and technically they should match, but if we compare these two arrays we return false. If we use more strong comparison we receive false too. What we could do, we could apply a sort mechanism to both arrays, right? B sort and also return false value. But if we check B sort, we can see what items is still in the same order, but let's do it in the following way: A, B. And if A more B, return A. Okay, I need to learn more about notifications. Okay. Today I'm going to discuss a very short topic about how to compare two different arrays in JavaScript. Let's imagine what we have two arrays. To demonstrate it, let's use Google Chrome console. Let's imagine what we have. First array, it will be called as A, and it contains two items: ID 1, name A, and second item in this array is an object with ID 2, name B. Done. And let's imagine what we have the same array, but the order of items is changed. And first item is an array, is an object with ID 2. Technically, this is two similar arrays, right? But if we compare them, we return false. If we use more strong comparison, we still return false. We could apply sort mechanism to both arrays. And we still return false error. And how we could compare these two items? We can convert them to the string value. Let's imagine what A has applied sorting mechanism and converted to string. And we do the same stuff with B. Convert to string. And now these two arrays, they match to each other. Let's imagine what we have another array, C. And let's say what array C has an item with ID 3 and name C. Technically, array C doesn't match to A or B. And let's check it. This is interesting. Okay. Okie dokie. B. Arrays sort. Okay, probably I found the solution. Today I'm going to discuss a topic with you about how to compare two arrays in JavaScript. Let's imagine what we have two arrays and they have a small difference in the order of items. To demonstrate it, let's use a Google Chrome console. Let's create an array A and it will contain two items. Item with ID 1 and name is A. Done. And let's imagine what we have the second item. It has ID 2 and name B. Right. And let's create another array. Let's create array B. It contains the same items but with changed order. And let's create an array C with another second item. Done. If we compare array A and array B, we return false. If we compare with most strong rule, we still return false. If we apply a sort method, it still returns false. So how we can compare A and B in case if we have the same items and we need to ensure what they technically are the same? We could use JSON stringify method. Let's run it. Apply it to array A and compare it with array B. It returns an error. Let's define why. It happens because sort function does nothing for this array because it contains not string values or number values, it contains objects. And if we apply sort method for array, we still return the same. What? I'm an idiot. Today I'm going to discuss how to compare two different arrays. No, let's run it one more time. Okay guys, let's imagine what you have two arrays in JavaScript and you need to find out the way how to compare them. Let's imagine three scenarios. Scenario number one, when you have the same array. Scenario number two, you have the same array but number of items is changed. And number three scenario, it's the case when you have different items in array. Let's use Google Chrome console to define the right answer on this question. Let's open console. Let's create an array A, and it contains two objects. Object number one has an ID 1 and name A. And second item is an item with ID 2 and name B. Done. Let's create another array. It technically has the same items and the same order of items. Let's create third an array with the same items but with changed order of elements in this array. And let's create the last one, an array with another items. Let's compare array A and array B. This function returns false value. If we use most strong comparison rule, it still returns the false value. What we could do here, we can apply JSON stringify method for an array A and compare this value with array B. And in this case, we receive information that technically these two arrays converted to string, they have the same values. If we compare array A and array C, where we have changed order of items, we return false value. How to solve this issue? This issue we can solve by using a sort function, and let's provide an algorithm how it should return items. We take two elements, and if the difference a minus b returns positive value, it will be returned. If negative, it will not be returned. And let's check. Now it returns false, but we should provide what these elements should be sorted by ID. Done. Done. And it should work. Perfect. And let's do the same stuff with array D. It returns false. So what is a quick solution how you can compare two arrays? You just need to apply JSON stringify method, and if you are not sure about what these items are sorted, you need to apply additionally the sorted mechanism to these arrays, and only after that use JSON stringify method. I hope this video is useful for you. Feel free to subscribe to the channel, provide your comments, and see you.